Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to launch your first email campaign using Selzy, one of the easiest email marketing platform out there. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will keep it simple and show you step by step. Let's go. First of all, log into your Selzy account at selzy.com. Once you are in, go to contracts and click lists and click on create list. Give your list a name like newsletter subscribers or customers 2025. Then click create. Then click on add contacts. You can upload a CSV file or copy paste emails. Make sure your list is permission based. Only add people who agree to receive your emails. Once uploaded, your list is ready. Now let's create the campaign. Go to the campaigns, go to the dashboard, then create campaigns. You will enter campaign name, use just for your own tracking. Then you will choose sender name, sender email address, and your email subject line. This is super important because it's what your readers will see first. Keep your subject short, clear, and curiosity driven. Next, click the next step to choose your template. Pick Selzy has a drag and drop email builder. So it's easy to design your email. Pick a pre-made template or start from scratch. Then drag into text. Then drag in text blocks, images, buttons, the header, social media icons. You can customize everything from fonts to colors to layout. Once done, click on save or continue section. Then enter subject, sender name, sender email. Then continue. Select the contact list you create earlier. Then choose whether send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Great for sending at peak engagement hours. Click send or schedule and you are done. And that's it. Your first email campaign will Selzy is live. After sending, check your campaign's performance, open rate, click-throughs, and more under the reports tab. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want a full video on automation, segmentation, segmentations, segmentation or ARP testing in Selzy. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.